Bumblebeers, and welcome to a new vlog series. A fun time vlog adventure. Strap in, here we go.
So we're gonna try another vegetarian street food snack. It's just fried mushrooms. There are also grilled mushrooms, which we probably should have got, with some spicy sauce on it. Chewy. Looks delicious. Good. Try a tea egg.
Is that right? You don't like it?
There's a lot of spices. Saltier than I thought. That didn't taste like black tea, but
It does taste like tea though.
no.
No.
It tastes like salt and egg. Good though.
Well, that's good.
Your turn.
Okay. Yeah, I like that.
Nom 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 nom.
I like everything though, so it's not saying much.
It's true.
But yeah. It is saltier than I thought it would be.
Yeah, I thought it would be like tea flavored, but it just tastes like it was soaked in soy sauce or something. I can't wait to get off the main street.
One of these days.
It's much better. We're in a place with way less tourists, having a beer with an amazing view. That's what it's all about, right?
That is what it's all about.
Calm time, my love.
Treacherous walk.
Jiufen is known for its gold mines, but this is actually an ore mine. It's pretty cool. I love all the plants growing in there. Getting us some knowledge bombs? Or not. That's part of the place we're staying. But not the part we're staying in. I can hear a waterfall. I can see a waterfall.
What up?
We're gonna explore a little bit at night and see if the crowds have died down at all.
Yeah.
The crowds may have died down, but the rain has definitely picked up, so there might be a lot of this dipping into the frame.
Sometimes
We'll
the
see.
rain adds to the atmosphere, I find.
It's true. It worked for us in Fushimi Inari.
All the greens really pop when they're slick and wet. Slick, wet greens pop.
Now this is gonna have to have a PG-13 rating. Let's adventure.
Slick, wet greens pop.
It sounds like a rapper, Slick Wet. We know Slick Rick. Do you feel claustrophobic yet? There you go. So we didn't find any really good views or awesome things to look at.
Yeah, what you gonna do?
Yeah. Lies! Those were lies! No, it looks so cool. Yeah, it's hardly anyone here at night. It's great. The key is to wait until everything closes. The nice soothing sounds of the garbage truck in the background. And the Jives.
Cheers.
This is what we needed.
This is what we needed. Escaping the crowds makes it, I don't know, more enjoyable to do.
No.
First rule of Puppy Club is you don't talk about Puppy Club.
The first rule of Fight Club is you do not talk about Fight Club.
Canine Crips. I like these streets a lot better when there's no one around but that cat on top of a thing.
Yeah.
Hello, kitty. You agree?
I agree.
Much nicer without a crowd.
Yeah.
We're having instant noodles by the beautiful view. Do you want to tell the internet about your horrible incident?
We were going through throngs and throngs of people, crowds shoulder to shoulder. It was beautiful, but unpleasant and difficult to manage through. And we were having a hard time picking, where should we eat, where should we eat? So we're like, well, let's just go into this corner store, get some goods, go back to the place. Because all I wanted food, all I really wanted was a beer. Pouring rain on us and people pushing. We're like, oh man, we need to get out of this for a while. So we get our beer and we get our noodles and we come back here. And I set the stuff on the counter and turn around. And then it all falls off the counter. And the beer bottle just explodes and sprays all over our nice hotel room. Glass everywhere, beer everywhere.
Do you have beers in sippy cups? Because I think maybe we should give you a beer in a sippy cup. Or one of those sake juice boxes like we had with Gabby in Japan.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.